Hello and welcome to my Python tutorial where I'm going to show you how we can find out how long our string is in Python. So, you would declare, so the way we do it is let's have a look at what task we need to do. We can find out how long our string is using the len function. So let's see if we can try and do that with our full name. Or we can try using the hello world example first. I'm going to do a as the variable equals. I'm going to do double quotes and I'm going to do hello world. And what we're going to do now is we're going to do print len, another set of brackets, a. Run that, and it's given us a 12. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 characters, including the space. So let's say we want to try another one. So I'm going to do one for name. So I'm going to do name equals space shift and 2, and I'm going to put my name, my full name, and then I'm going to do print, then you do shift 9, set of brackets, you write the len, and then you do shift 9 again, and then you put in name, because that's the variable we want. Run it, and it's 28 characters, including the spaces. If, however, we wanted to take out the spaces, down to 25. Okay, so that is how we do that is how we find out the length of a string. If you like these tutorials, please become a subscriber and you can see more of my tutorials. And I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Goodbye.